Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a MorpheMe unbagging. I already did open it. I did not see what was inside. It was just really hard to do and I did not want to take 5 minutes just getting this uncut. But before we jump in and test out these brushes, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Ring the notification bell to be notified for future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings, demos, and leave a comment if you have an idea of how to use a brush better or if you have an idea of something else you would like to see on my channel. So let's jump in. It's raining brushes. Hallelujah. Here we go. We got 3 brushes this month. We have the G6, like a G6 flat brush, the G17 round blender, and the G8 tapered powder blush. Tapered powder blush. Say that 5 times fast. Let's go on ahead and prime with the Smashbox primer. I don't even know how my face is going to look in foundation. I've been in the sun, I haven't been in the sun. Okay. With the flat buffer, the G6, let's try foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear foundation in the shade 2.25. I haven't gone to the beach at all this summer. Oh my gosh, how un-Floridian of me. So let's, all right, yeah, definitely gonna be more for a powder. I'm gonna just go in with my Real Technique Beauty Blender and just get some all over the face and go from there, go on my merry way. I guess this shade is working kind of good. I used to use this foundation a lot in the summer just because it helped with the humidity. It didn't fully melt off, easy to just touch up throughout the day. It's very buildable coverage. Right now I'm just going for a sheer look. I don't really need much since it's nighttime. I don't plan on going partying right now. Who knows, that could change. I already got turned up at Steak and Shake at dinner, so this shade is working quite nice for me right now. Very impressed. It's always hard to like buy foundation online because you're just like, but at least like Sephora, you can at least do like take a picture of you and try on shades just to help best match. But I think we are looking kind of decent right now. I like to think. I have not worn foundation in months, so my face will probably break out tomorrow morning. Looking forward to it, as I'm already not broken out. Okay, so let's take this bad boy again and try the Laura Geller Balance and Brighten foundation. This is a powder foundation. I use the shit out of it. I love this stuff so much. So there is still a little bit of liquid on here, so that could be affecting it, but I kind of like what it's doing. Like, it's helping really build that coverage right now, and I need that. So I like this brush a lot. I'm just doing circular motions here, just making sure everything's even, making sure the pores aren't showing. It's doing a really good job of a very full coverage look. I look pretty matte right now, and I love this Laura Geller powder. I like it because I can wear it on top of liquid foundation. I can also wear it by itself, and it does the job. I just love it. This one is coming to an end. I haven't hit pan yet, but this is like my 3rd one. My mom actually introduced this to me. I have a nice little airbrush finish right now. Hello. Who is she? So I really like this brush. I made it nice and dirty, so it needs to be cleaned already. For powder, really like that. I really love buffer brushes for powders. It helps, you know, really make everything look even, fill in the pores. Really, really pleased how this worked. And now we have a tapered powder blush. You can blend your concealer, set your makeup, apply blush. Looks like you can do a lot with it. We're just gonna jump in and try the blush. And we're gonna go in with my Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow. These brushes feel really good, really good. We're just gonna tap it there. I was really excited for this brush because I wanted to see how it set the under eye, but I did not put any concealer on, so I'm not gonna test that out. But for blush, hello cheekbones, yes. I think it's doing really good. It's like a really good shape, so it looks good. I like it. What do you think? I like it. And it's not really harsh, because I know sometimes blush for me can be harsh because I'm naturally flushed in the face. Don't know how that happened. Bring me to life. Wake me up. Wake me up inside. I'm gonna add a little highlight because I love highlighter. Just to emphasis a little bit right here. And I already had this brush. This brush did not come with it, but this is the Morphe E61 brush. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nikki Tutorials did a collab with Ofra on another highlighter. Love Nikki, she's the highlighter queen. So far, these brushes this month for August 2018, really, really good. And I have an eye brush. It is the G17. The G6 thing is just stuck on my mind. It looks like it would be a good crease, help the transition shade. What palette am I gonna use? We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. I love this palette. This has been my go-to palette for travel recently. And we're gonna go into Peach Tea and just dab her in the crease. Ooh. Yo, windshield wiper, like it is covering all my whole crease and my eyelid. And I am gonna try another shade just to make sure I am not just being deceived. I am very happy how this is turning out right now. Windshield wiper. Let's take Peach Cobbler just to add a little bit more. The hard part about hooded eyes is applying eyeshadow because you're just getting it everywhere and ugh, what a mess it can be sometimes. Oh yeah. Looking good. I'm gonna go in with Peach Sangria. Just help fill in the eyelid. I've really missed filming and editing. Like I just feel so calm and in my zen right now. Thank you guys for being patient for me. I have a new series I'm gonna start, and that will be the first episode of where I've been the past few months. So yeah, stay tuned. This palette is very pigmented. It's very easy to blend and make looks. If you have been on the fence about this palette, definitely would recommend this palette. You can make a bajillion looks. And here I am making the same look that I did almost a month ago for a work meeting, but it's just so easy. And I'm just gonna go in with chocolate dipped for my outer corner. Smoke it out a little bit. Bold. Reminds me of like the bold type when I said bold. That show has grown on me, to be honest. At first I thought it was really just ooh, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm just salty with Freeform because like it has canceled, well, it ended the Fosters, which I'm sad because that was like my favorite show. Switched at birth, and they started out some really good series and then they just stopped after one season, like, I don't know, Guilt and Recovery Road. I was digging those shows, but they got canceled literally like after one season, and I don't know why, and I haven't received my explanation yet. So that's where I am. I'm just gonna go back in with Peach Tea and the G17. I am having a lot of issues with numbers right now, and I am so sorry. And G, I am not 17, so I can't even use that. Just to soften her up a little bit, especially on this side. Looking a little bold. Isn't this bold and boozy, right? Or bad and boozy. Ooh, looking a little bit more bad than boozy right here. I'm really digging it. It's such a simple look, I know, but I love it. I love it. That was the end of testing out this month's brushes. Really, really enjoyed all three. Really good. I'm just gonna finish the look so I'm not looking like a hot ass mess. So I'm gonna finish it with Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D, just to add some eyeliner. Kind of just adding some, not gonna wing it out, just a little bit. I know, I haven't worn makeup in a while. You're probably all shocked because everyone knows how much I love makeup, but it's just been so hot recently. I don't know, I am ready for fall. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for fall. I am ready for some cold weather, football games, most importantly, vacation in October. I'm gonna be like off the grid. So I'm gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna go in with MAC False Lashes and the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I am not gonna be bold and put on false lashes. We established that in my last video. But yeah, I need a vacation. I need a break. I have been running myself into the ground for a while now. People are just looking at me like I'm crazy, and I'm starting to feel it all hitting me. I was sick a couple weeks ago, and that's when I knew I need to take a break. So I should probably take one now, but like I'm just going 1,000 miles an hour, and that's part of me. I don't know when to stop. I literally just run myself. But I'm just so passionate about everything I do, and that's why I'm really excited to be back online filming and with some other behind the scene projects I'm working on. I don't know where any of my mascara is. So I was at Sephora, I don't remember which one. I redeemed my points for this mascara because my Better Than Sex one was dying. I don't know why I just didn't buy a new tube. I was like, I know I have a tube somewhere at home. Still haven't found said tube, so I redeemed points instead. Logic, right? Apparently Sephora is changing their reward program. Still not as good as Ulta. Sorry Sephora, I still love you because you carry a lot of my favorite brands that I need. I wish they would be Ulta's level and redeem points like as money. Like, I live for Ulta's, you know, 5 times the points and then turn around on my next purchase, redeem all those points. Like, hello. I just redeemed a lot of points because they just started carrying Elemis in Juvia's Place. So finally got to try Juvia's Place. Finally got to purchase Elemis. My mom told me and introduced me to that brand, and I had no idea where to buy it. So when I saw that it was coming to Ulta, I got all excited. I'm like, yes. But Sephora still has a lot of my favorite brands, like Ole Henriksen, Briogeo. Yes. Okay, so brows. We're gonna go in with the Tressie Ka-Brow by Benefit in shade 5. Whew, my brows have been a hot ass mess recently, so this could be a shit show putting on my brows, so bear with me. I don't have a Q-tip on deck, but I just feel like I'm in my element right now. You know, just talking to you guys about makeup, trying out new products. It's very relaxing for me. So that's what I mean, being back in my element. And whew, that brow looks good. Whew. I don't make my brows the pointiest just because like I don't have much brow to begin with, so I don't want to overdo it, and that's why like I don't overdo my like lower lash line, just because I don't want to look like a raccoon. Like all these amazing looks that people can create because they have big eyes, but I don't want to look like a raccoon, like a colorful raccoon, like a clown raccoon. You know, you don't know. And we're not gonna do a tutorial on a clown raccoon unless if I'm drunk. Which, you want to see that? Leave a comment below. I will gladly do that with a friend. That would be a mess. I'm always tagged in things by my friends about drinking on Facebook. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Or am I just the enabler? Which I think that's what that is. I've been really wanting to do collabs with my friends on my channel because I think that would be fun, but half of them are teachers and they can't do YouTube. Just sad. Because how much fun would it be to vlog? I enjoy vlogging by myself too, but it's always fun when you have someone. So if we're not doing my brows and my makeup and a full glam in a while, not too shabby. We're gonna end this look with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Oh, it's a new one. You can just bathe in this stuff and call it a day. So if you stuck through the whole video, this is the finished look. Nothing too bam. As a recap, where did my brushes go? The Morphe G17 was an amazing brush just to get my transition shade. This Morphe G8 brush was awesome for my blush. I really would like to test it for my under eyes. This was good for powder, but not for liquid. Really happy how these brushes perform. Really happy how this look turned out, except for my little frizz and baby hairs going crazy. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I will leave a link below to subscribe to MorpheMe. You get 3 to 8 brushes every month, and each bag is worth over $30. Don't have prices in here, but this is worth over $30. So if you want to break it down with easy math, each brush was $10. So thank you for your love and support in this video. Make sure you subscribe and see you next video.